From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your evening weather update.
It's been another warm day across the Tennessee Valley on this Tuesday. Fortunately, we haven't had excessive humidity because we've had temperatures up into the upper 80s and the lower 90s for daytime highs, and we're still hanging out between 86 and 90 degrees across the area late this afternoon before we head into the early evening. 86 in Lawrenceburg, 87 in Hohenwald, 88 now for Columbia, 89 for Decatur, Athens, the Shoals, back to Iuka, 90 degrees in Russellville, and 88 in Savannah, Tennessee. Arctic Air Skycam Network showing not a whole lot going on. Mostly clear skies out there once again. Rain chances, well, they were on the board, but they were tiny today, and we really didn't see anything develop. I do think we may see a shower or a thunderstorm for our Wednesday, and a slightly better chance of that for Thursday, but no big widespread rain here anytime this week, and it's not looking too great for next week either looking forward. Satellite and radar composite showing a frontal boundary up to the north over the Midwest and the Ohio Valley. This will gradually move into the area by the end of the week, and this is what may spark a few showers and thunderstorms as we head through tomorrow and especially Thursday, but no widespread rain here. All the deeper moisture is down to the south along the Gulf Coast and the Gulf of Mexico. So I know we need a lot of rain here. We're starting to get dry and get back into light drought conditions, but looking dry here for the next several days. The drier weather does mean that weather is good for the Middle Tennessee District Fair, which is still going on through Saturday evening. Weather looking just fine if you're heading out there this evening. 81 degrees by 6 o'clock, mostly clear skies, falling through the 70s after sunset, getting down to around 71 by 10 p.m. as fair activities wrap up for the evening. Here's Futurecast this evening, showing a few clouds out there, mostly clear skies as we drop out of the 80s and 90s, back into the 70s after sunset, then into the 60s overnight, but I think it's going to be low to mid 60s for morning lows as we start to build a little more cloud cover back into the area toward daybreak. Partly cloudy skies through the day for our Wednesday, and maybe a few spotty isolated showers and thunderstorms, but notice even here, most of us still not getting rain for our Wednesday afternoon. Daytime highs in the mid to upper 80s once again. One or two locations in North Alabama can once again briefly be near 90 degrees, falling back into the 70s after sunset, and once again the low to mid 60s overnight Wednesday night. Front gets a little closer on Thursday, so especially by the evening hours, that may provide a slightly better chance of still what looks to be a few isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. No widespread rain here. Can't completely rule out a shower on Friday either as the front moves into the area and dies out, but we're most likely to head back into a period with no rain chances on the board Friday into especially the weekend ahead as drier air filters back into the area on northeasterly winds, and temperatures take a slight step down to the low to mid 80s as well. Mid to upper 80s once again for Wednesday and Thursday, and then back into the low to mid 80s as we head Friday into the weekend. Morning lows staying the same generally, low to mid 60s here for the next 5 to 7 days. Your overnight hourly forecast, mostly clear skies as we go forward, dropping out of the 80s into the 70s this evening. Low to mid 60s for morning lows overnight toward daybreak here on your Wednesday morning. And then don't let the thunder icons fool you. Anything would be isolated in the afternoon, but a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms possible, but most of us dry. Daytime highs once again roughly in the mid to upper 80s. A few folks may briefly hit the lower 90s, especially back toward Hardin County. More the same in northwest Alabama, mid to upper 80s. A few folks getting near 90. Partly sunny with the outside chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm, mainly during the afternoon. Slightly better rain chance here for Thursday on your Southern Realty 7-day forecast. Rain chances start to back off again by Friday, and we're dry as we head through the weekend into early next week with mostly sunny skies. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.